Hey guys, okay, so I'm starting off this winged liner tutorial just with some soft ochre paint pot just to prep the eyelid and get it ready for the eyeliner and shadows that I'm going to put on. I'm using Tempera eyeshadow. This is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, but it's just kind of a sheeny skin tone. It's nothing too special. I am using the two lightest colors from the T19 palette from Makeup Atelier Paris, and I'm going to start building that up in Molly's Crease. Now, I don't want this to be super overpowering, but I did want a little bit of color there and a bit of definition in the crease area. You, of course, can swap this out for brown or any other color that you like. So we're starting our wing by getting that gel liner, or liquid if that's what you're using, right down at the root of the lashes. This is so important and is what's going to give it a really nice finish. There's nothing worse than seeing that little line of skin between the liner and the lashes. So spend a little time on this, just getting it right down into the root of the lashes and smoothing that line from inner to outer corner. Then it's really important that you open your eyes and look straight ahead into a mirror. Your eyes are not even, so it's really important that you want the liner to look even when your eyes are open. So do this with your eyes open, lightly sketch a line, and then from the top of that line you want to pull back down towards the main lash line and fill in that space. Make sure you get right down into the little outer corner where your lashes end there as well. That again helps to keep that all really nice and dark and sooty in there. I'm using Shadowy Lady from MAC, which is sort of like a dark purpley color, and I'm going to press that into the lower lash line. I'm also going to make sure I press that into the outer corner where the black eyeliner starts winging out, just to really help give a little bit of impact on that outer corner. I'm using my fave Ardell lashes, and I'm building a custom lash here so it has more of a winged effect to go with the liner. This is one of my favorite highlighters. It is super affordable. I think it's a couple of quid, maybe £4. You can see it's absolutely gorgeous on Molly's skin, and you can pick it up online. I think Beauty Bay do Wet n Wild, and also Medicare chemists. I'm also using one of their lip liners. It's just a really nice soft pink color, and I'm just going to blend that with my finger. Then I'm going to go over the top with the Duchess from Charlotte Tilbury, which is just a really pretty pink color. It's actually what I wore on my wedding day. And guys, that's it. It really is that simple. The most important things I can say is look straight ahead in the mirror. You can use a brown eyeshadow or like a brow pencil to sketch out the line if you want to first before you go in with your black eyeliner, and just practice. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to give this video a like and follow me if you would like to see more of my videos. See ya!